Look at that huge flock of birds out there. See them? See if I can zoom in enough to see.
You see how long it goes. It's still coming.
It's a huge flock.
I mean, they got to be decent-sized birds for us to see them from here.
Still coming.
Yeah.
Wow. I can't stand still enough to take their picture.
They're still coming. I can see them on the other side of the jetty. Still coming.
What a huge flock of birds.
It's got to be a mile long.
Still coming.
Yep.
Still coming. Amazing.
And then you got, what are those, pelicans up
Yeah,
above?
that must be pelicans. Comparison.
Well, now I have to wait to see the end of it.
The end of the parade.
You can just go by time. It's
Holy
still going.
moly, they're still coming by.
I've never seen anything like this in my entire life.
Well, now you have.
When people ask me how I'm doing, I'll say I've seen bigger flocks.
Still going. Man, alive, that's a lot of birds. Did I say that already?
I think you said that already.
When I zoom in too close, I can't hold the camera steady. Okay, well, I'm going to turn it off now because they're still coming.